You know what I'm happy about, or to tell you what I observed in Jamaica? Everybody, or the majority, is patiently waiting for support. And most importantly, is food and medication. There is something that is so obvious, and I am really happy about it, that I'm not seeing a lot of animosity and fussing. Everybody is just waiting for the help to come. And that is unity. That is being patient. That is, there's nothing that matters but life. There is nothing matters but being alive. And help is coming. Believe it.